According to Automotive News, Kia is slated for an entire spate of refreshes in 2025, but only one redesign, and that is scheduled to find for the Kia Telluride. Though we do not have any kind of details on the changes to be made to the Telluride, it's the very first major redesign since its 2020 introduction. Resources speculate that an optional crossbreed or turbo 4-cylinder might be in the jobs. Various other modifications make certain ahead, inside and out. What we expect to see for the first redesign of the Kia Telluride is a ground-up redesign, with a brand new grille, fascia, and also wheels, in addition to brand new headlight designs as well as matching tail lights at the back. We also expect to see a few tweaks to the rear of the mid-sized SUV, potentially with a smoother look on the sides also. We do not have any kind of solid information regarding the crossover currently. Inside, we anticipate things to expand, as in bigger displays and more standard items such as USB ports, cordless charging, and also navigating. Similar to many various other lorries appearing recently, we may see the intro of a traveler display, though nothing concerning the interior of the upgraded Telluride has been verified. Given that the lorry is obtaining its first redesign, we anticipate to see new powertrain options for the 2025 Telluride. The present engine choice is a 3.8 liters V6 engine that produces 291 horsepower and 262 pounds-to-foot of torque. The engine is coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission and also comes in standard front-wheel drive. We would love to see AWD end up being typical, and also perhaps another engine option for more power or gas performance. Absolutely nothing is verified, but according to automotive information, a hybrid variation may remain in the works. The current Telluride for sale features a comprehensive list of typical safety and security features, as well as we don't expect this to transform for the brand new Telluride. The 2024 model is standard with onward crash caution, pedestrian as well as cyclist discovery, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign acknowledgement, a chauffeur attention caution, blind spot surveillance, back cross traffic alert, lane separation caution, lane keeping help, automatic high beam assist, Kia's highway driving assist system that integrates adaptive cruise shift control with Lance facility aid, automated high beam aid, and rear seat alert. We do not anticipate these functions to transform for 2025. We believe the redesigned 2025 Kia Telluride will certainly arrive in the autumn of 2024, though this is unconfirmed. Costs for the all-new Telluride must start greater than the present model on sale. 2024 Telluride pricing ranges from $37,355 to $54,550.